Okay, so I am heading south of the 29. It just started snowing. It's getting thicker clouds and stuff. So we'll see what it turns into. I heard it's pretty bad. And the truck that came out of St. Joseph today was pretty heavy laden with ice. Alright, here we are, just moving south. We are Rockport, Brownville, Nebraska, that way. We are in small town USA. Not sure which town. Anyway, roads are getting bad, and they're just going to get worse. Getting worse and worse. Okay, it's getting worse and worse and worse as we go along. Alright, here we are. This is what it's been like. Mile after mile after mile. We got two cars, a semi-truck, another semi-truck, another car over there,